Hi everyone, this is Sia and I hope you're doing great and learning this language great way. So friend, in this video I am going to talking about how to get fluency in English. Okay, because when we are beginner at the time we are not understand to how we get fluency in English. Okay, so we learn this language step by step. Okay, so first, if you are beginner, so you try to start listening is very important. Listening as much as you can. Okay, if you think that I am get fluency in this language and I am speak fluent English, so use your time in a good way. Okay, then what you do, you start speaking. Very first day you try to speak this language. When we are beginners, at that time we are scared that if I speak this language, because I am not aware of this language, I am not speak this language when I was like a small child, and now when I start speaking this language, so I am scared how I am speak. We aware of this language, but we are not remember. So when you learn this language, you learn at school. Okay, you learn this language your childhood, but you forget, you are not take seriously this language at that time. In our school we learn this language like a subject, but this is a time to speak. Okay, so how you speak? If you learn this language in your school, so I assume that you aware of this sentence, you aware of this tense. Okay, you know that how to make sentence, but where you stuck when you try to speak. So what is the problem? The problem is our mouth is not habitual to speak this language. Okay, and we are not learned in a, we are not focused on this language in our school, so that's why we forget. Okay, but when we see tense, so we remember that what is the past tense, what is the future tense, and what is the present tense. And when we learn basic grammar, so we knew that how to make sentence, but we are not able to speak. So what we gonna do to speak this language? We are do practice every single day. Okay, if you are not able to speak this language, it's okay, no one listen you. Okay, so you are doing mirror practice. If you are beginner, so you are doing in front of mirror, and you give speech any kind of topic you choose, and you speak that topic. And if you not comfortable, if you not see your mistake, so you record your video and see that where you do mistake, and then again you speak same sentence. So don't do it same mistake again and again. Okay, you try to improve, you try to think that I am get fluency in this language. Okay, if you you think that it's a language and I'm learn this language, if I'm giving 1 month, 2 month, or 6 month, 1 year, so slowly I'm learn. So you are not get fluency if you take it for granted this language. Okay, because if we not have environment, I'm telling you again and again, if you not have environment, so we forget things. Okay, forget so many things. If you learn tense like today, and 1 month after, then you in your whole month you not seen tense. After 1 month you don't remember. Okay, when you see again, then you remember. So if you learn every day, okay, and you are not break your consistency, so no one stop you to get fluency. Okay, because I'm seeing so many learners, they stuck on basic level. Okay, I don't know what is the problem, but they are not get fluency, they are not get advanced level. Okay, so if you work on this language, so I'm not telling you that you are not learn slowly, you learn slowly, but work on every day, every single day. Sometimes we are busy and we don't have much time to do practice. Okay, but if you forget listening, so it's okay. Sometimes I'm not telling you every day, sometimes you forget listening, it's okay. Sometimes you forget reading, it's okay, but don't forget practice. Practice every single day. Okay, if you break your consistency, so you feel that I feel low. Okay, you feel uneasy, but at the time you are not aware of this thing, that why I feel like this. But I'm also feel when I'm not do practice, so I am feel very bad. I'm thinking that I'm not learn this language. Okay, I forget so many things. Then when I'm trying to speak, then I have confident, and I more focus on this language, and I have confident to get fluency in this language. Okay, so work every single day. Okay, and if you watch English content every single day, so if you think that I am listening English content, okay, so it's not enough. Practice is also very important. Okay, and whatever you watch again and again. Don't do this mistake that you watch so many video. Watch one video in 3 times, so it's help you to remember what is the people told. Okay, because it's very important to understand. I don't know it's true or not, but I think like this. If you also think like this, so comment in my comment box and tell me it's true or not. So when we speak like basic English, so people not give us importance, because people understand basic English, so they think that it's not a big deal, it's not a big news to we speak this language. But if we get fluency and we speak advanced English, so people think that yes, we learn something, we speak this language. Okay, we speak English. Okay, so if you also think that people give us importance, and we get so many opportunity if we get fluency, because if you see native speaker, they speak advanced level. Okay, if you go to other country and if you listen their English, so if whatever you learn in this language, if you are beginner, so you are not understand their English, because they speak advanced. Okay, they speak very fast. So also I give you one advice, that you listen native speaker. Okay, because it's a very important to understand this language, and you try to speak in if you try to speak advanced words, so it's also helpful for you. Okay friends, so I hope you like this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.